If you're looking for a more eco-friendly alternative to disposable paper napkins, then you might want to consider cotton napkins. And now, we're excited to introduce our latest collection of cotton napkins that are not only practical, but also stylish.
Our cotton napkins are available in 3 different colors: gold dot, red dot, and black dot. These napkins are made of 100 cotton, which means they're soft, durable, and can be washed and reused countless times. Plus, the dots add a touch of sophistication to your dining table. Whether you're having a family dinner or hosting a fancy event, these cotton napkins will surely impress your guests. Not only do they add a touch of elegance to your table setting, but they're also better for the environment, as they reduce waste and promote sustainability. So why settle for disposable paper napkins when you can elevate your dining experience with our beautiful cotton napkins? Check out our website or visit our store to get your hands on our gold dot, red dot, and black dot cotton napkins today.